In this video, I'll show you how to create a stretch pull transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition stretches and pulls your clips across the frame, making the scene change feel fast, energetic, and dynamic. It works great for social media edits, sports highlights, fast montages, and brand videos. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for stretch. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Ease in controls, how smoothly the transition starts. Increase it for smoother motion. Decrease it for a sharper start. Ease out controls how smoothly the transition ends. Increase it for smoother ending motion. Decrease it for a snappier finish. Angle controls the direction of the stretch. Adjust it to change the stretch direction. Stretch controls how much the clip gets distorted. Increase it for a stronger elastic pull. Decrease it for a subtle stretch. Blur amount controls the motion blur during the transition. Increase it for smoother motion blur. Decrease it for a sharper look. Center controls the focal point of the stretch effect. Adjust it to reposition where the stretch originates. Use a shorter duration for a quick sharp stretch. Use a longer duration for a smoother elastic transition. For best results, sync the stretch snap with a beat or impact sound. And that's it. That's how you create a stretch pull transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.